Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Monkta channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about GoHighLevel forms. Forms are like forms and surveys are a very core component of GoHighLevel CRM, because these are the things which are mainly used for collecting customer information, which either through funnels or the websites. You can use the forms you built, you can build like n number of forms, like separate forms for onboarding, or like any custom form for appointment, when the customer tries to book an appointment, and a survey post, a post visit survey, and all things can be built within our high level. For this video, I'll stick to the topic of forms, and I will elaborate little about custom fields also, so that you have a complete understanding how you can use GHL forms for your marketing purpose. Now you can just go to the marketing, under automation. You can see sites. In the sites you can see funnels, websites, blogs, forms, and surveys, and just click the add form one. Now you have a form builder ready, and you can just plug and play the standard fields like full name, phone, email, city, and post zip code, and website if at all you wish to collect. And these are the things you can collect. Also collect images also, like customers can upload images. There is a limit like 50 MB, those things. And finally you can add a button, and you can customize the button also with custom CSS code, or like just choose the colors from the website form builder itself. Let's make it little dark. Yeah, let's make it little round, and let's make it full width. Now it looks much better. Area, and I'm changing the message. Submit this form. Yeah, these are all the things you have. You can, and you can also change the save the form form name also. You can just change it here. Onboarding, which color you like, which treatment to like to prefer. Just group this object under contact, and just group this contact into additional info or general info. These are like when you click the contact thing, you can see it will have different tabs, like for each contact, which will show additional info and the general info. Which treatment, body, liposuction, or like have you already treated, just click yes, and add another option for no, just click save. And now your custom fields are ready. Now you can just, I have just dragged and dropped those custom fields, so it's appearing here. Just you can just drag and drop those. And another important thing is, like, you can just click on the fields and drag and drop it to different places you like to have. And then also you can mark this fields as record. If you have marked this field as record, it will have a star and it won't allow the customers without submitting this information. Without choosing either of those options, or like filling that particular custom field, the customer can't submit the form. This is a very important thing. And now you can just click the save form, and when you go to the form, you can see like this treatment option is available, and also the radio thing is available. You can see the star button which mentions like these are mandatory fields. Phone number, email are mandatory, or mandatory on default for the CRM to store them as a unique contact. This is how we can use you can use GoHighLevel form effectively for information collection. Let me know in case if you have any queries in the comment section. I will be happy to answer those queries. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.